Okay, so we're going to learn how to set up a basic website with SeaMonkey today. When you download and start SeaMonkey, you might be kind of surprised to find a web browser, and that's all it is. You just get a little web browser there, and it takes you to Google. If you want to go to Google or Bing or wherever you want to go. But fear not, you did get a web developer toolkit as well. So you click on File, New, and come over and you start a new composer page, and you can compose a website. Now, very basically, you can start typing. And that's easy enough. And a few things down here, you can highlight your HTML tags, so as you get more into depth into your website, you can edit that, fiddle with your HTML source, and preview. This is what your website will look like when you're all done. But we're going to go back to normal. Now we're going to look at something real quick. Well, not real quick, but we're going to look at something that SeaMonkey calls a layer. And if you go right here, the little push pin, you click on it and it becomes a layer. So if you highlight text, that text becomes a layer, and then you can move it around the screen and position it however you want. However, if you're just sitting over in the corner and nothing, and you hit your layer button, you get this, which doesn't look like much, but it is another layer. And all you have to do is just click on it, highlight it, and then what I'm doing here is I'm setting up a menu. Menu item 1, item 2, menu item 3. So what I'll do eventually is set up my website so that when you click on these various web items, you can do that. Body of my text. Not too shabby, huh? Very simple, very easy to understand. You can even, if you are interested in learning the HTML source code, you can come over here and see that it's essentially just a couple of divs. You notice this is the div tag right here, and then style, position, absolute, left, so on and so forth. And this is all telling it where to go. But we're not going to worry about that too much right now. So there's the basic way to lay out your website. In the next webcast, we're going to look at inserting links and images.